This is my really small life-sized Lego gun. It shoots these pieces. To reload, you pull it back. Basically, the firing mechanism is this piece. This piece goes inside so that when you pull this back, this piece goes in. To shoot, you pull the piece out, like this. That is a firing mechanism. This is how to make the handle. First, you make one of these pieces. It's not very hard to make, and I think all of you could make it. And then you take one of these pieces. Equally easy. You attach them by taking this piece and putting it right here. Like this. That is a handle. To make the firing pin, you take this piece and this piece, which are both really easy to make, and you connect them. Now I will be showing you how to make a muzzle. To make the muzzle, you take a bunch of these pieces and you attach them. You take a 3-piece here, and one of these 3x5s and 2x4s. And you attach this piece. Here is it. To attach the rubber bands to this piece, for the trigger, I slid a broken blue rubber band through the hole in the trigger. Then, if you've seen my channel before, you take this piece, slide it right through here, and place it here. That is how you attach the rubber band for the trigger. Attach the rubber band for the firing pin. You take the firing pin and you attach a rubber band through this hole. Like this. Then, you slide it into the barrel. You attach the rubber bands. To where you pin your first rubber band. Like this. To attach the handle to the muzzle, you take the handle and notice how the studs are sticking out. you align it like this so that it fits. And then you press down. This is a handle. Now your gun is ready to fire. Now let's see it fire. Here's it firing at a target.